When water runs high, emotions don't need to follow with AdvantaClean on the job. Water or flood damage in your home or business is a serious matter, and we at AdvantaClean know how stressful it can be. More than just the visible mess, there are issues you can't see, like potential mold or hidden damage to the structure of your building. Our team at AdvantaClean can handle these situations quickly and carefully to ensure your property is restored to its former state. Here's what our water, flood damage repair, and restoration process looks like. Step 1. Initial response. Time is of the essence when dealing with water damage. Therefore, when you call us about water damage, we act fast. Our team is always ready to come to you with all the tools needed to start the repair and restoration process immediately. Step 2. Evaluating the situation. Once we get to your place, we take a good look at the damage. We use advanced moisture detection equipment to measure the extent of moisture saturation and identify where exactly the water is coming from. This step is important because water can hide in places you would not expect, causing damage that might not be visible immediately. Step 3. Getting rid of water. Once we know what we are dealing with, we start removing the water. We have powerful pumps and vacuums that can get high volumes of water out quickly. This process deals with the water you can see, but also ensures it does not spread to other parts of your property. Step 4. Drying things out. Once most of the water is out, we focus on drying and dehumidifying the affected areas. We use industrial-grade air movers and dehumidifiers to ensure your walls, floors, and anything else affected are completely dry. This is a crucial step to prevent mold from growing, which can start in as little as 24 to 48 hours after water exposure. Step 5. Cleaning up. Water damage can often leave behind dirt, bacteria, and other contaminants. We clean every affected area thoroughly and use antimicrobial treatments to kill any harmful bacteria or mold. We also make sure to get rid of any bad smells that the water left behind, leaving your property clean and fresh. Step 6. Fixing the damage. The last step is restoring or repairing any damage caused by the water. This could mean replacing drywall, repairing hardwood floors, or repainting walls. We efficiently handle all the necessary repairs to get your place looking as good as it did before. Throughout the entire process, we keep in touch with you, keeping you informed and involved in the decisions about your property. We understand the emotional toll that water damage can take, and we want to make the restoration process as smooth and stress-free for you as possible. Professional water damage restoration services in Winston-Salem, NC. If you are looking for experts in water damage restoration in Winston-Salem, NC, you cannot go wrong with AdvantaClean. We offer quality and affordable water damage restoration services in the Triad area. We use the latest technology and non-invasive methods to survey the damage, identify the causes, and fix the root of the problem. Call AdvantaClean at 336-46 for 7934 or submit this form to request a service appointment today.